Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting, the top 5 best mini PCs of 2026. Mini PCs have come a long way. They're no longer just for office work. They can handle gaming, video editing, and even run as powerful media centers, all while taking up minimal space on your desk. So whether you're upgrading your home office, setting up a gaming rig, or just need a compact powerhouse, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Beelink EQi13 Pro Mini PC. Intel 13th Gen Core i7-13620H 10C 16T up to 4.9 GHz, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 500 GB PCIe 4.0 x4 SSD, dual 4K monitor support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, dual LAN. The Beelink EQi13 Pro is perfect for office users or anyone who needs a reliable, compact PC. I've been testing it for multitasking, running Chrome with 20 tabs open, streaming 4K videos, and even light photo editing, and it handled everything smoothly. Its dual 4K display support is fantastic for productivity, especially if you like to keep multiple apps open at once. The build is compact and stylish, so it won't clutter your desk. Pros: powerful Intel 13th Gen CPU for multitasking, dual 4K monitor support, compact and premium-looking design. Cons: the storage might be small at 500 GB, not designed for heavy gaming. If you need more storage, you can easily upgrade the SSD. Beelink makes it simple with a toolless design. Number 2. GEEKOM A8 Max Mini PC. AMD Ryzen 9 8745HS, upgraded from 8745HS, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 2 TB SSD, expandable, dual 2.5G LAN, USB 4, 8K display support, VESA mount. The GEEKOM A8 Max is a beast for performance. With the Ryzen 9 CPU and DDR5 RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and it even handles gaming and creative work very well. I tested it with some video rendering and light 3D work, and it didn't even break a sweat. The dual 2.5G LAN ports are a standout for online gaming or streaming large files over your network. Pros: high-end AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, DDR5 RAM for next-gen speed, huge 2 TB SSD with expansion options. Cons: slightly larger than other mini PCs. Fans can get noticeable under heavy load. If you want maximum speed, pair it with a high refresh rate monitor to really make use of the 8K display capability for media editing or high-res content. Number 3. GMKtec Gaming Mini PC, Nukebox K11. AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS, Turbo 5.1 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 2 TB SSD, dual 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6, USB-C 4.0, BT 5.2, HDMI, and DP. This one is a mini gaming machine. The turbo boost to 5.1 GHz really helps in high-performance tasks and gaming. I tested some AAA games at 1080p and even 1440p, and it handled them surprisingly well for a mini PC. Connectivity is excellent. Dual NIC LAN plus Wi-Fi 6 means you'll have no lag during online gaming, and all the USB-C and HDMI ports give you flexibility for multiple devices. Pros: Turbo 5.1 GHz AMD CPU, great connectivity for gaming setups, handles multitasking and media editing well. Cons: can run hot under heavy loads, slightly heavier than ultra-compact mini PCs. If you plan to game, consider adding an external GPU or cooling pad to maximize performance during long sessions. Number 4. GMKtec Mini PC Workstation. Intel Core i9-13900HK, 14C 20T, up to 5.4 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, 8 USB ports, COM port, HDMI, and DP. This mini PC is built for professionals. Whether you're coding, video editing, or running multiple virtual machines, the Core i9 CPU keeps everything smooth. The Workstation design comes with plenty of ports for peripherals, ideal if you have multiple monitors, external drives, or even legacy devices. It's perfect for offices or power users who need serious computing power in a small form factor. Pros: extreme performance with Intel Core i9, lots of connectivity options for office or professional use, compact yet professional design. Cons: not aimed at gaming, slightly larger footprint than typical Mini PCs. If you plan to game, consider adding an external GPU or cooling pad to maximize performance during long sessions. Number 5. GEEKOM GT13 Pro Mini PC. Intel Core i9 13900HK 14C20T up to 5.4 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, 8 USB ports, COM port, HDMI, and DP. This mini PC is built for professionals. Whether you're coding, video editing, or running multiple virtual machines, the Core i9 CPU keeps everything smooth. The sleek aluminum design gives it a premium look, while the Core i9 CPU ensures high-end performance for productivity, media consumption, and light gaming. 8K UHD support makes it future-proof for high-resolution displays, and the modern connectivity options like USB 4 and Wi-Fi 6E give it an edge for fast transfers and low-latency networking. Pros: extreme performance with Intel Core i9, sleek aluminum design and premium build, modern connectivity and 8K UHD support. Cons: pricey compared to other mini PCs. This is perfect for a home media setup, connected to a 4K or 8K display, and you have a compact but visually stunning media center. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Comment below which product you'd like us to review next, or share your thoughts about today's product. Check out the links in the description for more details. And as always, stay tech savvy.